Hi friends, I'm happy that I'm taking you back to AK7DOLL. Doll, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
I'm also good. Okay, fine. Today's session is tongue twister.
A tongue twister is basically something that has to twist your tongue. It's like rhymes, but it's much more difficult. Instead of like sunburn, it'll be much more difficult, like
Instead of difficult, you say challenging.
challenging. Yeah,
Fine.
challenging sounds better.
Today's tongue twister is coat, boat, float.
Coat, boat, float.
Coat, boat, float.
Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float.
Fantastic, you said it 5 times.
Do it one more time.
Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float. Coat, boat, float.
Superb.
Friends, you also follow suit. Try it. All the best.
All the best. Bye.